In order to hide these links on the left from student view, what you do is go down to Settings, and then come up here to these top tabs. You want to go to Navigation, and you scroll down a little bit. You'll notice that some are located in this upper half box, and some are located in this lower half box. So the ones in the upper half box will appear on the left to students. If you want to hide them from students, drag them down below to this lower half. You'll still have access to them and you will still be able to move them into and out of view. But let's say we want to hide the Assignments tab. So here it is. So I'm just going to hold on to it and drag it down. So now it's in this lower half. It doesn't matter exactly where on the list it is, as long as it's in this lower box. So now it's not there anymore. And let me, I haven't saved, so that's why it's still showing here. What else might I want to hide? Maybe files, so that students can access files only when you make them visible. Okay, so now I've got the assignments and the files down here. I want to save. And you'll see that this little eyeball with the Ghostbusters line through it means they're not visible. So I've hidden the assignments and the files. And let's just double check it. Let's go to Student View. So now this is my homepage, the Development Play Around shell. For the student's point of view, they have all of these tabs, but assignments and files are no longer visible to them. So that was successfully done. So again, and I'm going to leave the student view. Again, Settings, and then up here on Navigation, and you can drag things up and down at will. I hope this is helpful. Good luck hiding things.